By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to make $1,000 a day from your couch in 2025, no experience needed, and you can do this no matter where you're located in the world. This proven blueprint helped Joe make $10,000 a month his second month into the program. It also helped Elizabeth make $13,000 in just 5 months. And you can do the same if you follow these 5 simple steps. The first step is to tell you exactly what it is and how it works and why it's such a simple program for anybody to do. So it is called the Digital Growth Community. It's an e-learning digital marketing program that teaches you everything you need to know about digital marketing while giving you master resale rights, which means you can turn around and resell the program for 100% profits. It's an earn and learn program that is very beginner friendly and requires minimal technical skills. The other big thing that I love about it is that there are actually 4 different levels. So you can choose the level to start out with that is comfortable for you and your financial situation. So that to me is amazing. So you can start out as low as $100 all the way up to $900. The website, email sequence, all the tools are provided to you. All you have to do is purchase a domain, which is basically your website, and connect the dots. Once you connect it, everything is provided for you. All you have left to do is start promoting the program. So you're going to resell it, make 100% profits while you're learning how to create your own digital products if you want to, like checklists, ebooks, courses, any type of digital product if you choose to. Now, some people just resell the program because there's so much value there that all they want to do is resell the program. They didn't have to create it. They didn't have to put in the blood, sweat, and tears, and they can turn around and resell it for 100% profit. This program is jam-packed with value, including lifetime membership. So you'll pay one fee, no monthly expenses of any kind, no upsells, nothing, no bait and switch. You pay one fee, and that gives you lifetime access to the community, which has about 47,000 members right now, a lifetime of mentoring and training. So you are basically paying one fee for continuous training and learning. And it is super simple to get set up and for anybody of any walk of life. We have people who are truck drivers and welders, people who have worked in factories, all the way up to corporate executives. Anyone can do this program. We also have folks from all ages. We have people from 18 years old all the way up to 80 years old in this program and doing great. I tell people all the time, the only way you won't succeed is if you quit, because everything is laid out for you on a silver platter. It's basically a business in a box. So that's step 1. I always like to explain what the program is right up front. But if I still have your interest, which I hope I do, because this is an amazing program to get involved with. So if you're interested, let's move on to step 2 to talk about how you do it. How do I get started? What do I do? And that is also super simple. All you have to do is go to my website, onlinesuccesswithjennifer.com, and it will prompt you to put in your email address. Once you put in your email address, then it's going to take you to a video that explains a little bit more about the program. And this is also something that I really love because it's not a pushy, salesy type process, because we give you all of this information along the way so you can make an informed decision. So it's not as if as soon as you put in your email address, the next thing we're going to do is put, this is what you need to buy. No, the next step is a video that explains exactly what this program is all about. Then if you're interested, you can say yes, move to the next step. Once you move to the next step, this is where all of the details about each level is written out. So you can go through level 1 all the way to the top level of $900, and it tells you exactly what is included there. And that is where you can decide you want to purchase or not. So there are actually 3 steps within the program. And this is the same process that you will go through with your customers. These are the same landing pages that you will receive. When you go in there and look, I didn't create this. Someone else created this program, created this website, created all of the flow behind the scenes. And this is exactly what you're going to get and what you're going to sell to your customers. And it's as simple as that. Once you purchase, you're in, you're done. You'll receive the email that gives you your login information to get into the program and to get everything set up. And it will show you step by step on how to get everything connected with the website you're provided and the domain that you've purchased. And I know that sounds techie, but it is not at all. It is very simple. And the other good thing is that we actually have technical support in this program. So if you are thinking, I'm going to buy this, I'm not going to know what to do, that is not the case. Every week, we also have a live technical assistance phone call. It's crazy. So if you are having issues with your connection, you can get on the call and someone will live go into your program and help you get everything set up. So there's nothing to be afraid of. The technical side, never be afraid of that, because also think about this. Once that connection is made and all of your back end information is set up, you have to do nothing else. It is on autopilot from there on out. Now, there are still 3 steps that we need to cover and some mistakes that I want to make sure you avoid along the way. But before we do that, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, because I give tips and tricks all the time about how to make money in 2025. So step 3 is talking through all the mistakes that you could make that really could impact your success in this program. The first one is, and this is critical, this is probably the biggest mistake you can make, and it's all on you, is not being 100% committed to the program. You have to be committed. You have to be focused. Nothing is easy. I've said it's simple to set up, but just like anything, you are going to have your obstacles. You're going to have things that come up. You're going to get frustrated. But you have to be focused, and you have to know that this is a long-term solution. This is a long-term program that's going to help you get to time and financial freedom. But you have to be committed. I know so many people who have started the program, and in a month or two, if they've run into, well, I'm not getting any following on social media, or, things aren't going as I planned, I'm already not making $10,000 a month, and they bail. Well, that's on them. So you have to be 100% committed to saying, I'm going to make this work. Because again, we give you all those tools to make sure you succeed, but we can't make you be committed. We can't make you be focused. We can help you with mentoring and training, but you are the one who has to say, I'm going to do this no matter what obstacles come up. The second mistake is imposter syndrome. It is going to be so easy to see all these people making tons of money in this program and think, why not me? I want that to be me. Why is that person going viral on TikTok? Why is that person having so much success? Well, that's not you. It's not your journey. Everybody has a different journey. And honestly, those people making it big right out of the gate are really exceptions to the rule. Most people, it does take time. You get better at creating your content. You get better every single day at how to promote this wonderful program. So it does take time. So look at those people for inspiration and for ideas for your content, but you can't look at them and think, why not me? Because it's a whole different journey. So don't get into the imposter syndrome, because that could really hurt your success in this business. The third big mistake that can really hurt your success in this business is worrying about what other people think. I'm telling you, as soon as you tell people you're in an online business, they immediately think it's a scam, it's multi-level marketing, there's some catch, you can't make money online unless it's a scam or unless you're scamming people out of money. You're going to hear that. So you have to take it upon yourself to block it out and say, you know what? I'm not worried about what other people think, because I know in my heart that I believe in this program and that I'm not going to let other people bring me down with their negativity. So it's an e-learning program. That's all it is. And if you tell people that instead of saying I have an online business, sometimes that will make them feel better, but we don't care. We don't care what other people think. When you get in, you're going to see the value and you're not going to have a problem ignoring those people because they are making a judgment about something that they don't know anything about. So you just have to ignore that or it will get in your head and change your mindset. I like to explain to people that this is basically an e-learning course, which it is. It's an e-learning program, just like anybody who takes a college course online. There is no difference except that this class is continuous forever, for a lifetime, and you get to resell it for 100% profits. But that's all it is an online e-learning course. Okay, now that you're all caught up and you know the mistakes that you need to avoid, we really need to talk about how you scale this business through automations after your foundation has been set. When talking about an automated business, sometimes that's very confusing for people, especially those who haven't been in the online space. Basically, this is setting up your business so you can make connections 24/7 that will eventually turn into sales while you're out living your life. So, for example, if I make a piece of content and I post it on social media, that content is working for me all the time, even when I'm out doing other things, even when I'm sleeping. So for instance, somebody could see that content, see that video at 2 a.m. in the morning and it will take them to my landing page and they will purchase the program. That is taking place while I am asleep. I haven't worked my business. I'm not working at that moment. I am actually letting the business work on autopilot for me. And this is so important because there are only so many hours in the day that there are for us to work. If you're not trying to get money coming in 24/7, then it's going to be difficult for you to get to that financial freedom. So it's all about working smarter, not harder. Let's say that person doesn't purchase. What they've done is they've put in their email, which now goes into my email automation. This is another piece of the entire automated process because once they're in my email automation, if they don't purchase, they're going to continue to get emails from me that are already set up, that you will have as well, that are automatically sent to those potential customers, reminding them of the benefits of the program to where they will eventually move forward and purchase. Another wonderful thing about automations. This is why your first few sales should be reinvested back into your business so you can continue to gain those efficiencies so you can multiply your income through more automations. Step number 5 is the last and most important step because it's looking into the future more. It's looking past where you are with your program now and your online business into the future. So what happens if the digital growth community goes away or the whole MRR concept is no longer available? You have to make sure you're prepared for these things because we never know what's going to happen in businesses. And I know you've heard, never put all of your eggs in one basket. I will say this about the digital growth community. It has grown exponentially over the last couple of years. There are now 47,000 members, and the creator of the program made $4 million in 2024 just from this program because she continues to promote it as well. So it would be difficult to shut down that many people and say there's no longer a program at all. But anything can happen. The key here is that you will learn so many new skills within this program that you can create your own digital products. You'll learn about affiliate marketing where you can actually promote products in your videos where you receive a commission. There is so much out there in the online space that once you master this MRR digital marketing program, that you should really expand your horizons and look at other ways to make money online so that your eggs are not always in one basket. Remember too, the website you purchase, the domain, that's yours. You can do with it as you wish. So don't think that you can only host the Digital Growth Community on that website. You can sell your own products there. You can make it into anything that you want. So that is your website to add products to, or whatever you want to do with it. But you've purchased it and it's yours. Now, if you're over 50 and want to learn how to make money online in 2025, I'd watch this video.